reconnu, tu suis. This is just come there. Hi. Say hello to Coco trainer. Say hi. Big up yourself, moy&matt. I'm at Messina. Yeah. You know what this is called?
No.
When the tea hot, you do it like this, and your tea gets cold so you can drink it. Want me to do it? When I was a child, I couldn't put my face in it. Look.
Ah, c'est froid.
You see?
Mais c'est très froid, maman.
Yes, but if you do it like this, you get cold. Taste it not and it's still hot. It's good? Alright. Back to basic. You can't find this? You got Germany regular, no?
Me? You shopping place, a cheap place, you know. In front of the farm, I come up, go to front, I go Primark, go buy something to study.
It sounds funny when it's a Primark. It's a Primark.
The English, when I speak English, you pronounce English word. German, you the same something, you know.
Wash it, Lily.
A-E-I-O-U. And the same letter.
You know, see when, but you know, see when the woman asked me to spell German name, I said, Bombard.
And that's why I wonder how some people bilingual women speak 50 language, jump from language to language so easy. You know why you're Carolina? And the people that wouldn't really know language, or they can jump from language to young language. Reading, spelling, pronunciation and everything. One M, but in every language, the M pronounced one different way. The A pronounced one different way. And you have to remember that all the rules them will make up the language.
See we ever come, Jay, see we ever come. Swim, 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 swim. Swim, swim. Way. I wait until the wave come back again. Wait. It a come, it a come, it a come. Some big one a come there. Wait, it a come, it a come. It. You're a big swimmer. And Gio is in the water. I know it's Gio, yeah. Gio! JJ, I play in a stand. You call Michaela? Swim, 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 swim! Come and wipe your eye. Come and wipe your eye. Look. Smile. JJ. Smile. Look, JJ. Look. Look now. You don't look at me. No, no. Go and bury him, JJ. Wait, something in your nose. Piece of book in your nose. Don't move now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. We not put it on your face. Do take time in your ear, Jay. You don't want it on your face. Let me use my hand. Look on Jay. See Jay.
Look on Jay.
Are you me attack? You want to lie down in it to Jay? You want to lie down side of your brother? Move, Jay. Move. You alright? See, Jay? Lie down, lie down.
Lie down, my brother.
You want to lie down side of your brother? You put it in a hole too? Yeah? Alright, I'm going to put it in a hole too. Lie down, Jay. See, Jay, I'm not done. Lie down. If you want to come out and tell me your ears, let me stop. Wait, Jay, I forgot to go and hole for you too. You want to do the same thing? Don't move, JJ. So Maya is going to do deep sea diving with her daddy. Not really deep sea diving, but over there where you can see the people in the water.
The boat one?
Yeah. Go over there, we have a backed up side of the rock there, so Shelly might go over there. So. And these are my nephews. Jay, say hello. Turn around, Jay. Say hello.
Hello.
This is CJ.
Hello.
I said I want to favor me. Same
Hello.
Him at the first me I meet him, but him when me last time I come to Jamaica, I a baby. How old are you, CJ? Yeah, how much? Yeah, how much? Yeah, 5, then if I'm 4. Gio, Gio, how much?
J,
Yeah.
yeah, 4.
And CJ 5. Can I ask him? And this is my big nephew, Gio.
Yes. Go.
Go, Mata, go.
This is just come there. Hi! Say hello to Coco trainer. Say hi.
Hi.
Big up yourself, moy&matt. I'm at the scene now.
Yeah.
So nothing more famous than me.
Hey, Maya.
Hello, my love.
Elle n'est pas née ici. Voilà. Hello.
Oh, finally somebody will speak French.
Really?
Caribbean on them some more. When everybody else is making snow angel, we are here in the sun making sand angel. Isn't that right, Maya? Yes?
Yes.
Continue. My face is a bit shiny like young clear, but I went and got my hair done this morning. I'm so happy. And then I come back to my favorite place and soak in some vitamin S. Triple S. Sun, and sea. And then I'm going to get my face scrubbed. I mean, I don't wanna be lonely. Watch you look at nasty taxi man there. So then try to do your nasty and sorry man. Watch this. drive terrible. Just hear from the regulation a while ago. If you want, if you're driving in a community that you don't know, just drive behind a taxi